Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about skincare. And I don't normally migrate towards skincare. It's mostly focused on makeup on this channel. But as I've gotten older, I have focused my attentions more on skincare, ointments, serums, tools sometimes. And I was sent something that I absolutely love. I've been using it for about 2 months now, just to make sure it was something that I truly enjoyed and had seen the results. And we will definitely be discussing all of those things. But you guys, before we jump into it, if you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, hit the bell for notifications of new videos, and if you like this video, make sure to hit a big thumbs up. But if you guys want to see what amazing skin tool I have been using and seeing amazing results with, just keep watching. Okay, you guys, so you probably saw me unbox this when I did my unboxing for what Luke had sent me about 2 months ago now. And I had been waiting for it to arrive. The brand Joves had reached out to me and asked if I wanted to try one of their Photofacial tools. And I was so excited, but I had to do my research. I wanted to know what I was getting myself into. Just a little background, I'm 40 years old. My skin concerns are my pores right through here, fine lines. I have lots of redness in my skin, or I did. But those are the things that I was focusing on the most. And I have a bunch of different serums I've tried, ointments, lotions, face masks, you name it, I've tried it. But I was really excited when Joves emailed me and asked if I would try their Photofacial product. I did my research. I wanted to know what the target areas were, what it was meant to do, would it work on my skin? And there's so many different things that definitely do your research when it comes to products like that, because a lot of times you're finding that if you go to a spa, you have all these questions that you have to answer. When I would go and get facials, they're asking me all these things, family history, things that were happening to my skin recently, what were my target concerns. So I definitely did my research when they asked me, and I'm really glad that I agreed to partner with them, and I'm really excited that they asked me to partner with them because I have seen amazing results. There is a video that I've done recently where I used a tinted moisturizer, which I never thought I would be able to do because of the amount of redness I had in my skin. Because anytime I would use something that was thin or light, I would see the redness peek through and I was uncomfortable seeing it. I would try and cover it up or contour and put more blush on just to even it out. If you notice, my makeup is pretty minimum today. I wore a very light foundation to go to work, and that's because I'm able to do that now that I've been using the Photofacial product from Joves. So this is the Photofacial, it's the Joves Blacken Pro. This has been a lifesaver. So the packaging itself, look at the package it came in. Obviously the outer carton that it was sent in, I haven't kept that, but this is such nice quality. It makes it so easy to store. I love that it's got the little magnetized clasp, but then inside everything is just so compact. So inside here you have the power cord. It makes it easy to just put away and store. And then the little hand tool right here. So when you're looking at this, at first I was kind of like, this is interesting. I hadn't quite seen anything like this, but it kind of made me nervous. I wanted to make sure that it worked well on my skin, that I wasn't having any issues. But there's 3 different modes on here, and they have worked wonders for my skin. I am going to take my makeup off here in a little bit, do my nighttime routine, put that clip in for you guys so you can see, because my skin before was very inflamed. It didn't matter if I had just woken up, taken a shower, my skin was red. And my pores, they like to peek through. I'm not even wearing a pore refining primer right now to minimize, and you can barely see my pores. I really thought when I started using this, I was like, is it really gonna work? It does. It really does. If you've been here before, if you watched any of my makeup videos, you'll hear me complain about the things that I don't like. And those are pores and redness are 2 of the things that I just could not seem to get rid of. But this has definitely helped. So there are 3 different settings, like I said. The first setting is brightening and pores, and you can use that all over your face. There are goggles. You need them because it does have the laser pulsing right here. So you want to make sure that you're wearing the glasses. That way, also when you get close to your eyes and the light's about to go off, close your eyes. You want to shield that. You want to protect your eyes from the laser, and it's worth it. It's really worth it. The second one is for redness. So I will do my entire face for my pores and brightening. And then when I get to the redness area, which for me is like right through here, I will do the second setting for that. And then the third setting is for marks or spots. I don't have a lot of that. I do have it a little bit on my forehead, but mostly for me, I'm focusing on my pores and my redness, and it has been a lifesaver. To have the ability to wear minimized makeup is great. I don't have to wear a super heavy like foundation mask. I can just go natural. I can do a tinted moisturizer, and I've never felt better being able to do that. Now, I will put in a clip of my nighttime routine. I also don't use this every single night. It's recommended that you use it 2 to 3 times a week. If you see any skin irritations, which you do a patch test, it is highly recommended. I highly encourage you to do that. You don't want to do it on your face for the first time and that be the time that you realize that it is not good for your skin because of the sensitivity. You just use the inside of your arm to do the patch test. That way, because of how thin the skin is on your inner arm, it's going to mimic your face and it will definitely help out. But you want to test that, wait a little bit before you decide to go in on your face and try and do the entire area until you've seen results. It is recommended. And then once you've seen after maybe an hour, 2 hours that you haven't had any irritations or skin reactions, then go ahead and do your nighttime routine. Now, once I'm done using the Jove's Blacken Pro on my skin, it's recommended that you do a cold compress if you don't have a face mask, but they want you to use a hydrating face mask. That way, because you are using a laser facial on your skin, it may dry out. So they want you to be able to put that hydration back into your skin immediately after using, as well as not using any of your invasive skincare products. So as soon as I get done with my Photofacial, which you will see here shortly, I do my entire Photofacial after I have cleaned my skin, made sure it is dry. Do not put any oils on. You just want a clean, dry area before using the Jove's Blacken. After you're done, you will put that face mask on or cold compress so it can rehydrate and just let your skin do what it needs to do after the Photofacial. But let's lead into the nighttime routine so you can see exactly how easy it is to use this product. Okay, you guys, I just went and washed my face. Usually after I wash my face is inflamed and it is just super red. I don't have that. I have a little bit of redness, but it's not anywhere compared to what it had been before I came over to Germany and tried out this product from Jove's. One thing I did forget to say in the beginning of the video is they did give me a affiliate code. It is Ashley Lorraine. It's linked down below. I will make sure it's on the screen so that you can check it out. I will also link their site down below, so definitely go and check them out if you're interested. The one thing that I just did to make sure, so it's recommended that if you have facial hair, mustache or whatever, like the dark pigmented hairs, which I know I do have, I just go and make sure that I get rid of them. It's fine, it happens. Go and just take care of that, and then you're ready to do your skin treatment. So so I still have mine protected. It just makes it easier, especially because I keep wrapping it up and putting it back into its cage. I don't have an issue with it. So now I do have to use a converter because I am still in Europe. That's also the one thing I had to make sure is that I was able to use it with the converter. So I definitely tested it out before I touched my skin with it, and it did definitely work. So make sure that you plug it in, and then I have my glasses. They are very dark. And at first I was like, am I gonna be able to see through them? You can. All right, so power button is on this side. All right, so to turn it on, it is a long hold. And then now you've got the lights that light up. And on the back of here, you can see the different settings. So I've got mine on redness, you push the power button again, it's going to switch between the power modes. And I want to start with brighten and pores. So on this side, you do have the little button for the laser. So I just hold it as I drag it. It does need face contact or skin contact. And then now I'm going to switch over to redness, which is just going to be right through here. And that's as easy as it is. I always do the 1 for brightening and pores, and then I will switch into the redness. Now, after this, I'm going to go and do my cold compress and my hydrating face mask. But you guys, it is honestly that simple. It is a very quick treatment. I don't need to spend 20 minutes. I just run right around here, switch over to redness, and then do right through here. I don't focus on my dark spots. If you've noticed, they have kind of faded even using the pore and redness portions of this. So I'm not sure if I need to go any more intense. I don't also have acne scarring. Not as bad as I did when I was younger. I had lots of acne growing up. I'm really surprised, for as much as I picked at my face for pimples, that I didn't get scars. So there is a little bit of redness showing through right now because I just did my treatment. But later on, after I've done the cold compress and then the hydrating face mask, it will calm down. It'll be fine throughout the night. And then tomorrow morning when I get up and shower and get ready for work, everything will be nice and toned down. I won't have the same redness that I have right now. But you guys, it has been a lifesaver. Like I said, definitely go check it out. At least do your research. If it is something that you're interested in, maybe you have the same concerns that I do of my pores and the redness, you might want to invest in a tool like this for yourself. Put it in the comments. Let me know. Are you thinking about picking up this product? Is it something that you have looked at before but weren't quite sure about? I'm interested to know your thoughts. We will have that conversation. But you guys, that is it for this video. I am so thankful for Joe's for asking me to partner with them, and I look forward to your comments. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell for notifications of new videos, and if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Until my next video, you guys, bye. I'll see you in the next one.